This is the moment of ceremonial installation. Dr. Shrum, will you please join me? Dr. Shrum, you personify the very meaning of our land-grant university. Your love for the great state of Oklahoma and commitment to improving the lives of its people are admirable. You're a champion of academics and research, as well as a visionary leader for the OSU system. We honor that today. First, we present the emblems of your responsibilities as president, bestowing our trust that you will faithfully and successfully uphold these responsibilities. Please accept the University Mace and the Presidential Medallion, but first we'll do the Mace. Let's give her a nice hand. I think we'll want Provost Mendez to take that back, please, for a second, because this is kind of the touchy moment here, because we've got this other thing that we do, and the Presidential Medallion. And I've asked the governor to help with this, because if we mess this up, we needed somebody else to blame. They coached Kayse and I on this, and we think we're going to get this right, we hope. By virtue of the authority of Oklahoma State University and the OSU A&M Board of Regents, we commit to you the charter of the university and place over your shoulders the seal of this university, the symbol of the high office which you hold. I now present you the 19th president of Oklahoma State University, Dr. Kayse Shrum.